XM7 rifle is a new designation for what was previously known as the next generation squad weapon rifle. This firearm is a part of a broader effort by the US Army to replace the M7 carbine and M249 light machine guns in frontline combat roles. The XM7 is produced by the SIG Sauer, a prominent firearms manufacturer. The XM7 rifle is chambered for the new 6.8 mm cartridge. This new ammunition is designed to offer greater range, accuracy and lethality. The XM7 includes several modern features such as free floating barrel and adjustable stock and advanced optics. It also integrates new suppressor technology to reduce the weapon's sound and muzzle flash, enhancing the stealth capabilities for soldiers. The XM7 along with XM250, the new light machine gun, represents a significant modernization effort aimed at increasing the effectiveness of infantry units. The 6.8 mm round used by the XM7 is designed to provide higher energy on targets, improved barrier penetration, and better performance at longer ranges. The upgrade aims to ensure the US forces maintain a tactical advantage over adversaries with body armor and advanced combat gear. The XM7 rifles development and deployment are part of Army's broader strategy to equip soldiers with next generation weapons and technology, ensuring they are prepared for future combat scenarios.